So in the interest of full disclosure, I should probably point out that the reason I didn't do this initially with the last video was because the air conditioning is not working. Well, the air conditioning is still not working. The reason why is the FRM module is busted. So that also explains why I can't roll the windows down, I can't adjust the mirrors, and I don't know if I'll be able to turn sport mode on. We're gonna take it out for a drive anyway because I promised you I would, and I'm doing this for you all, so apparently I'm a glutton for punishment, but let's get to it. And I have to squat down to look at the mirrors because the mirrors are not adjusting correctly. Turn signals are broken too. That FRM module is definitely something very important to have in these cars. And I have been told it is going to get replaced, so whoever buys this will have a fully functioning 2014 JCW Countryman. But I am drenched. It is hot. Whew. Apparently I have a brake warning light too. So that's exciting. So this thing probably also needs new brakes. And around we go. Going about 42. I'm not going to take it any faster than that because the FRM is not working. Still, pretty quick little crossover. Pretty fun. Gosh darn it, it's always a stupid pickup truck. you saw that, he just brake checked me. I tilted that mirror up, so I'm surprised it tilted itself back down. You know, it does hold pretty well, even with brakes technically not working. Stability control is excellent as always. Still stops on a dime. .208 horsepower, can't beat it. Now personally, I wouldn't mind driving this as a manual, although I have read that the R60 with the manual had more issues than the automatic did, especially with all-wheel drive. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. I am sweating buckets right now. But I think overall that went very well. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a comment below. Check out my playlist at the end of this video. And as always, life is too short to drive a boring car. So drive a Mini.